sitting out here enjoying the sunset. So I haven't told you guys, but this little bush right here is my milkweed bush, and we've been getting monarchs coming, and I had the same male butterfly come for like 7 days in a row until he found a mate, and I see them flying all around over here having some fun, and they just hang out here all day. They fly around the backyard and then they come over here for a sip, and then I saw the female laying some eggs on the plant, and I'm going to show you guys what the actual eggs look like. All right, so here is my milkweed plants. I have about 4 plants, and then we also have a big butterfly bush right here that's like way overgrown, but it attracts all the butterflies. We have a little puddler here for the butterflies just in case they want some water. And let's see, oh, here we go. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, here they are. Here is what the little eggs look like, and there were 3 there. I don't know if it hatched, but we should be having some monarchs pretty soon, and I'm really excited about that. I also got this little guy back here because I saw a okay, last year I had some butterflies that didn't come out of their cocoon, and so I looked up like why, and apparently, oh look, the butterfly's back. You guys might see him. He's gonna fly in the background. There are these things called tachnid flies that actually will land on the caterpillars and lay eggs inside of them, and the larva will hatch and eat them from the insides. Yeah. So to protect them from that, you gotta snatch up the little caterpillars right as you find them to protect them, and put them in little bags like this so that nothing can get them. But yeah, so that's the thing. Oh, there he is. Hey, that's the male. He literally comes here and hangs out all day, and I love it. I'm really excited because this weekend Red and I are going to our first show since the pandemic. So we're gonna go see Cascade, and we're gonna go with a couple friends. So I'm super excited for it, and I have no idea what to wear. And when I was cleaning out my studio, I found fabric, and I was like, oh my god, I love this fabric, I want to make something out of it. So I did make some bell-bottom legging like kind of pants, stretchy pants, and I thought that it would be really cool to make it out of fabric. So I'm just going to vlog that whole process of me making my outfit for my first show, going back into the real world. Let me try to get a close-up shot of, oh, we named him Bud, like a little butterfly or a flower bud. I'm gonna get a close shot of him. Bud, where's your girlfriend? Where is she? Oh, go find her. Where are you going, Bud? His wings are so big. Bud, show us your beautiful wings. I can literally just look at butterflies all day. They're just so mesmerizing to me. I'm gonna take you guys down to my studio and show you the fabric that I'm going to be using. Also, you guys have not seen my updated studio. I'm not completely done with it yet, but let's go have a peek. So this sign, I actually had it at the old office, and it was just lying around, and I was like, let's put it up. It looks awesome. We got the table right here, which I'm still like setting stuff up. I thought it would be better just to have it set up like this, because then I can actually like walk around and have more space to create, and like can actually cut the fabric and stuff out here. I painted another wall, just a little design right here, and then we're still figuring out what's going on right here. Let me show you guys the fabric. I'm gonna cut it out here. Man, it is way more echoey in here. I gotta fix that. We gotta put stuff on the wall. So the fabric that I thought would be cool is fabric that I actually used for a Moody Me design, and I only use it for like a small little insert right here on a dress. And it's this black mesh fabric, and it has little stars on it. Can you see it? You can see the stars. So I thought this was super cute, and that would make for a really cute set. So I'm gonna make like the same bottom pants that I made for my birthday, same pattern. So hopefully it's easy for me to make. And then we're gonna figure out a cute little top to go with this. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm gonna start cutting this out and we're gonna make it. I remember when I first made these for the ones that I made for my birthday, the butterfly ones, they were too long. So I had to hem them a lot. So I'm just gonna try to save some fabric and make them shorter. Okay, pinning it down. Perfect. I really hope that I can do this quicker than when I had first done it. I mean, the first time I was doing it, I was like learning how to make the pattern and I had to cut out the pattern and everything. This time, I already made it, but you know, you never know. All right, it's time to sew. So if you guys are wondering, I haven't sewn since my birthday. So also, if you guys are wondering about the video I'm referencing, I'm gonna put it in the description. I feel so far away. Why are you guys so far away? There, you're a little closer now. Okay, and I think I have the same stitch that I was using, so I should be good. Here we go. Oh no, that did not sound good. Literally right when I start sewing.
Hi, my baby.
Oh.
Oh, you're filming.
I done goofed. I've been doing this for like the past 30 minutes. This takes forever. This is what happens when you get really excited and you don't watch the directions. Because, you know, I've done it once already. Setbacks. It isn't a project until I have a setback, right? Okay, so it literally took me all night last night to rip the seam. I have it laid out here correctly, and I'm just gonna pin it and then sew it. Okay, it's the morning of the event and I haven't worked on my pants. The last where I left off was I had to iron this down and it took me so long to just iron it down, and now, okay, I tacked it down, we're ready to go. I don't know if I'm gonna be getting to the top today. I tried looking for a pattern last night and I feel like I'd have to kind of like add a bunch of videos together to make the one that I actually want. So we're just gonna focus on the pants. I'm gonna try to finish that before I go see my trainer. I'm in my workout clothes, you know, to get my morning started. But yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen. We'll see, fingers crossed. I hope I can make the set. But for now, let's make these dang pants that I've done before. I'm a little nervous for this part because attaching it to this, because that's where I messed up last time. In my TiffyQuake video, I attached it wrong, so I had to seam rip everything. So I don't have time to seam rip anything anymore, so please do it right. It's a gamble at this point. All right, ready to sew. I think I'm supposed to leave a hole for this to put the elastic through. I'm gonna do that. We should try them on. Did I do it right? Oh, I did it right. I can't tell what's the front and what's the back. I guess I'll find out. They fit good. This is where the elastic's gonna go. I'm definitely gonna wear shorts underneath, obviously. But they fit. I could have made them a little bit tighter, but they came out pretty good. I kind of want a little bit more flare. But my mom told me a trick that they used to do back in the 70s where they would cut like the side and they would add like another kind of fabric inside to make it flare even more, like a triangle strip. So maybe I'll do that. I don't even know if I have the right fabric for that. So, okay, elastic time, and then these bad boys are done and then I can get started on the shirt. Maybe I can do it. Maybe. Okay, they're done. I put the elastic in. Let's see how it fits. I really need to mark the front and the back. One last try on. Cute. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I think I have to hem the bottom, but I don't know. I kind of like them long, but here's it with the band. All right, so all I have left to do is hem them, and I actually like the length. I'm just gonna like even it out, hem it, call it a day. We'll be done with the pants. All right, pants are complete. They look so good, but the next time that I use this pattern, I'm gonna add more flare. Needs more flare. All right, so as always, I am running behind, so I'm a little rushed. I got my makeup done. I got the fanny. We went to Claire's, and literally this was all that we could find. This was $20 at Claire's. Really? Literally, I had no other option, so I had to get it. But I wanted to show you guys the outfit before I head out. I still have to do my hair. Oh, there's a butterfly right on my door. Ikumi, you can come in here. Flowers outside. Okay, let me show you the outfit. I literally just grabbed the pants out of the dryer. I had to wash them and they turned my little delicates bag black. But let me show you. Here it is. What do we think? Isn't it so cute? Okay, can we just talk about the pants? They came out perfect. I'm wearing like a little thing underneath. It's not like a bathing suit. It has like these straps on it, which actually make my butt look bigger. I ain't complaining. But yeah, they came out so cute. And then I thought, you know, we needed a belt accent. So I had this guy. And then since I didn't have time to make the top, I just found this top in my closet and just like tied it back so it's a little bit tighter. Shows my belly a little more. We did it! Outfit complete. Okay, well, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make this fanny work with this outfit. I'm gonna just put it on here somewhere. But I need to go. My lift is about to pick us up and I still have to do my hair. So I'll probably get some footage and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. Last night was so much fun. It went by so fast. I recorded a little bit of footage there, but I was just enjoying the show for the most part. And I found myself looking at people's faces. I haven't been around this many people for like over a year and a half. So it's my first time going back out and experiencing a show. I don't know. It was just so nice to be out around like people who just want to have fun and listen to good music. And it's kind of like, you know, we survived. Like, I don't know, I got this really cool vibe when I was there. And the outfit, like, I loved it. I felt super comfortable in it. And I'm a little sad that I didn't get to finish the shirt, the top, but I think I might do a separate video for that and actually make a pattern and try to follow it. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. But I hope you guys had fun. We taking you along. I hope to go to a lot more shows in the future. But honestly, like I have a feeling we're gonna go on lockdown again. So I feel like we just made it through this little pocket. I'm gonna quarantine for at least a week and a half. Not gonna see family or friends, just to be safe, you know, because I could still, you know, get sick and transmit it. But yeah, I hope you guys had fun. That was so fun. I want to go back. Either way, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.